Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Peyton coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, May 13th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 50 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 65 and a low of 39, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Caleb, teacher. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice.
In sports, the Cubs will play the Pittsburgh Pirates today at 1:20, and the White Sox will play the New York Yankees tonight at 6:05. There are no clubs meeting today. Club Unify members will meet today from 10:30 until 11:15 in room 120. Tonight at 7:30 is the Friendship Village and Hoover Harmonics concert at Schaumburg High School in the auditorium. Ms. Bernacki would like to remind her students to meet in the auditorium at 6:45, and don't forget your music folder. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Peyton. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Hopefully everybody's having a great start to their Friday. This week went by fast. Mrs. Ankrum, you've got, looks like you've got a bobblehead there.
I do. So just wanted to show everyone my awesome bobblehead.
Did the student make that for you?
Yeah, Swati made it for me.
Pretty cool. It looks very similar to you. I can see that.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, hold it up so.
Oh,
there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. All right.
Yeah.
We've got some Hoover high fives to pull this morning. Took me a minute there. I know it's a little slow. So I've got the primary egg, so I'll go first. All right, I've got Michelle B in 108, Nathan T in 108, Lucy in 121, Soham in 114. I'm not sure if Soham's here today. I think they were going on a trip. We've got Priya in 113. We've got, looks like Brandon in 117. I'll do two more and I'll let you take over. Ava in 121, and the last one for the first floor is Kaylin in 120.
All right, here we go with intermediate students. We have Emma in room 202. Let's go Holly in room 212. Gabby in 202 again. Let's try and get a different classroom. Swati in room 212. Mahir in room 212. Okay, I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. What's so funny? Sarah in room 210.
Do you hear that?
And one more is whistling.
I hear the chicken dance.
And then Aman in room 209.
All right, for this installment of Ask Mrs. Ankrum, two questions.
Okay.
Number one,
Wait,
did you
two.
know that tomorrow is National Chicken Dance Day?
I did not know that.
And question number two, do you know how to do the chicken dance?
No, I don't.
All right, let's stand up. Stand up.
Okay.
Show us how to do the chicken
No!
dance.
I don't know how to do the chicken dance.
Is it this way?
Show
Okay,
me how.
show me. All right, we gotta wait. Everyone stand up. All right.
Everyone was doing the chicken dance.
That's good.
Now I know why.
Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
You're
Thank
mean.
you, Mr. Schmelzer and Mrs. Ankrum. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that tomorrow is Chicken Dance Day? The chicken dance has earned a fond place in the playlist of cheesy party dance songs. It is a tradition at weddings, children's parties, and family events. Other favorites typically include the Hokey Pokey, the Electric Slide, and the Macarena. To celebrate National Chicken Dance Day, put on this familiar tune and dance like a chicken. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the It's Raining Money production team. Have a free-for-all Friday.